with the ladle in your mouth and hitting her on the top of the head.
She has to put her head down. And then with it in your mouth, you're going to
You should put your beard down.
So, yeah. So you're going to start, okay? And then she's going to go next.
Are you getting this?
Yes.
put your head down.
Don't break the spoon!
You don't break the spoon.
That fucking hurt. That's lighter.
Who's going to give up first?
That's in my neck.
Are you drooling over there?
I'm crying.
Oh.